Welcome back everybody to Wild Shaman's cooking show. Today we are gonna be cooking some hamburgers. I call this one the special patty. So I don't think this is how you cook hamburgers, but it's pretty epic. Okay,
I
so
also put the lettuce on the.
okay,
I only
so
showed up because I was promised food.
okay.
I'm here because I came here. I was forced.
So as you can see, we have a perfect burger over here. Let's go cook another one over here. Oh, okay, that patty fell down. Ignore the fact that there are pre-made burgers on the floor. All right, well, while we have that one cooking, we're gonna also be making some soup, cause soup and burgers are good. So we're gonna have a
Great
carrot
combination.
and a soup block. you always need a soup block. Okay.
It's a Denos block.
You're just putting top
That's the
ramen
soup.
in there.
No, that's the soup box right there.
We also need some Kool-Aid.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's just top
Mini
ramen.
beef.
Oh, that's-
What is that?
Great
What is that?
combination. Don't worry, that's your soup box.
Okay. Let's
See,
see how
it's-
this other burger
it's
do.
I was
shooting up
promised
the-
food and I'm taking your Kool-Aid.
Alright.
I smell
Okay. Okay, so
Oh, here
someone
comes the
sells
one shot.
pennies. There's a box.
There's your soup box right there. See, it's
Yeah,
shooting out.
Hey, it's an
Pepperoni.
unexpected guest star.
Uh-oh.
Indeed.
Okay. This patty was burnt. Hold up.
It honestly
Oh
looks
my
like if you guys
God.
ever played RoboCraft, you remember those stupid flying cubes that like dominated every
Okay.
round?
Oh my
Okay,
god,
back-
yeah!
that's-
I have to
thing
go
is-
see.
that.
Okay, so it looks like that patty was burnt.
Oh,
The soup fell apart. Okay, I'm getting out of here.
bye, Wild.
Yeah, screw this. I'm out.
Please.
Alright,
He's
I-
violently
I- I'm
scrape
about to
against the
commit
ground
fatal
because there's no
error.
snow.
fatal error commit.
Fetus, fetus.
Alex,
Self-delete.
Okay,
Off the cameras.
okay, there's an earthquake. Okay, Alex, did you get that recorded?
Yes.
Mom,
Don't
get
worry,
the
guys.
I
It's
I'm
working.
I'm
This is
still
how you
doing a
cook.
slow pan around it, like it's still. in the
All you
shell.
need, no, all you need is 2 shots of vodka, and it's finished.
Oh yeah, we forgot the 2 shots of vodka.
All you need is
Okay,
2
I have
shots
to
of
go. I
vodka.
have to go to bedtime.
We
Same.
also forgot to flex tape it.